So NVIDIA, if you're listening and watching this, pick me! Put me in the chopper, okay? And give me your RTX card, I really need it. Whoa, what's this? Fortnite RTX is out now? Check it out, RTX off? That's how the game looks normally. RTX on? Oh my gosh, you can see everyone's reflections. Do you see that? Bam! And now let's go launch Fortnite and do it! See? Now what I'm gonna do is approach this console right here. Okay, there it is. RTX Treasure Run. And right there you see it's created by Swiftor 9189-0518-5408. And it's called RTX Treasure Run. We're going to be touring or investigating a museum and collecting 15 coins in 5 unique zones. So that's my new destination. Let's get going. And only people with PC-equipped RTX graphic cards can play this map. If you want to see my settings before it starts, I'm just going to be playing in 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second because that's optimized for my 2070 supercard. Let's see if we can just start it. Oh man, we're starting now. Woo! Let's go. Welcome to RTX Treasure Run. We're here at the museum. We're looking for 15 coins, and we need to get all of them found within, I think it's 20 minutes is the challenge. So let's run through. Here we are. And what you're gonna notice is improved shadows and lighting effects, mostly. I'm gonna start here by looking at the lost treasure of Illumination. And you'll notice here there's a bunch of stuff you can read the script. Lost Temple, there's sun worshippers. I think we need to interact with sunflowers and light. So let's go. This is the sun mirror. You have to inspect it. Now, this is global illumination being demonstrated. And you can see here, some of the reflections are better than others. We can see the waterfall. It's cascading in the pond. Let's go up here. Oh, I want to get up. Please let me. I need to hop up here quick. Oh, I made it. And there's an arrow pointing here. I think it wants us to interact with the sun mirror. Whoa, and it's shooting the sun. And it's revealing our first coin. Mark that off on the tally. Yeah, first coin. Let's now go in this spooky cave. Looks like they worship a sun god in here. Let's jump through these monster teeth. And voila, it looks like we have more to find in here. Oh, there's another sun mirror. Let's adjust it. Oh, the reflection's made. The coin is revealed. Oh, yes, we've got 2 coins now. Let's see if there's a third one. Back behind the waterfall. I think this is as fast as she goes. She's running as fast as she can. And, oh, we found the pirate's booty. Look at this. Yes, we found it. That's worth the dance. We got there. So let's adjust our final sun mirror for the challenge. And our third coin of the zone is discovered. Woo! Okay. So there's only 12 coins remaining. We're making good time. Now we need to hurry and jump to the next zone. And the next zone I'm going to show you is really cool. It's going to showcase mirrors. It's going to be like that hallway of mirrors you see in those creepy clown shows. Except minus the clowns. So let's go see if we can get there. The portal is just up ahead. And you can see, look at the reflections on the water. It's looking pretty good. Ah, I need to jump up. Can I make it? Yes, we made it. And you notice I have some funky llama on my back. So let's keep that until the end. Bam! Now here we are. I promised we'd do a hallway of mirrors. Let's go up here. The sphere of reflection. Whoa, here we are. The sphere of reflection. We can start to see our reflection now in the mirrors, which is really cool. Oh, it looks like I'm chasing myself. Let's head this way. And there we go. We have to do an obstacle course now. Avoiding the pits of despair. You don't want to fall or it's game over. You'll respawn though. Now we need to look for coins, don't we? So let's see if we can climb up and follow those orbs. Those will lead us to coins. Can we get up there? Ah, it's too high. Is there somewhere else we can jump? I think we can make that, can't we? Oh, I fell! I fell too soon. Let's see if we can make that. No, that's too high. Oh, yes, we made it. Is this a coin? Yeah, we got our first coin in the hallway of mirrors. Now, there's a bunch of fake coins, so we need to avoid those. Can we make this jump? Let's see. Yeah, we made it. And let's go up here. Ooh, I see a sun reflection down there. I think that indicates this is good. Oh, it's a fake. There's a bunch of fakes across this little map. Now, where's a real coin? I think we need to go this way to get it. Oh, this could be real. Let's go over here. And can I make the jump? Yes, I made it. Are you real? Woo! We got 2 coins. Hello. Oh no, I fell. Let's go over there. We've gotten 2 this way. Let's go over here. Oh, this is really cool. Look at the lighting. It's very impressive. Let's jump up here. I want to get this coin. Tell me you're real. Yes, it's a real coin. Let's not bother with those fakes. And again, let's just portal back by dying. And let's get back to the museum. So pretty cool effects you got here with the ray tracing in effect. 2 zones down and 3 to go. So 9 coins remain. What's here? Inspect the Blade of Wisdom? Sure. Oh, ambient occlusion is the experience here. Nice. Hey, what's this glowy thing? It's a golden coin. Okay, let's zoom in. There's only 2 more left in this zone. Oh, there's one on top of this kitty cat sculpture. Let's go up and see if we can get up there. And I need to hop on these obstacles right here. Hop, hop we go. Don't fall or you have to restart. Oh, look, a coin. No! Look before you leap. The coin distracted me. Don't worry. We'll make quick work of this obstacle. Let's keep hopping. Yeah, and jump. Yes, I made it. And now, don't get distracted. Let's make the leap. Yes, we got 2 coins in this zone. Now let's go get the 3rd coin. Oh, don't fall. Yikes, that's scary. I almost biffed it. We need to get to that, so let's climb up these branches. And then leap. Oh, we made it. Yes, we're almost there. Oh my gosh, almost, almost, almost. Jump. Yes. And booyah! I'm gonna do a little dance up here. Oh, did we make it? Yes! That's right, we've only got 6 coins to go. Okay, let's jump down. Woo! This is pretty fun. New zones, new lighting, new reflections, new shadows, new occlusion, and back to the museum we go. Now, looks like there's only 2 more listed. We've completed 3 zones. Oh, it's a castle theme. I love it. Inspect the Man of Metal. Bam! Oh, don't hit him there. Now, there's shadows illustrated here. Oh, there's a coin. How do we get that one? Can you help me? The king lost his golden shoe. Aha! If we find it, we can return it for a reward. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. Look at all the shadows at play here. Ah, Illumination. You must be the king, right? Oh, you want us to dance? Sure, we can dance. What you gonna give me, king? This is gonna cost you. Oh, it's gonna be a reward. Thank you. I'll take that as payment. So that's 1. We still gotta find a golden shoe, and it looks like there's a hidden one somewhere. Let's see if we can find it in this castle. Oh, it's up there! Maybe there's a secret passage we can find. I don't know where to go. Secret passage, where are you? Oh, there's a dungeon! Oh, I like the shadows here in the tunnels. You must seek this coin in the tunnel. Where's Smeagol when you need him? He's exactly the kind of friend you'd make in a tunnel. Oh, we got it! So the final coin is revealed with a shoe. There it is. There it is. Let's go hop on these. Don't fall. We have to start over. And let's keep going. Yeah. Can we do it? 3, 2, 1, jump. And 3, 2, 1, jump. Yeah. Golden shoe, you're mine. Return it. Claim your reward. Yeah. That was quick work. Let's go to the next zone. Yes! So there's only 3 coins left, and check that out. It's over here. The final zone. Let's finish this. Inspect the Purple Wonder. This is a lab. Ah, and he must be the mad scientist. Now, it looks like we need to add ingredients to the test tube, so where are they at? Can we find some ingredients? Oh, look here. Small shield potion. Don't mind if I do. I'm gonna take that and add it to the test tube. And let's hop up here. Hey, parkour, parkour! Get out of my way, test tube. Let's add the ingredient. Woo! Now we need some kind of shield potion. Oh, let's jump up here. Oh, I fell. Ooh, I fell into a shield potion. I'll take that. So just look for the potions and then you add them to the test tube. This is fun. And here we go. Booyah! Got it. Where's the next one? Oh, look, a coin and a potion revealed themselves. Let's go up here. Don't fall. Oh, jump on these science experiments. No! I fell. I have to start over. How do I get out of here? Ah, I have to climb up. It's okay. We can do this. So be careful. Look before you leap. And then we need to get up there. I made a fall here, didn't I? Not this part, but this one. Right here. Oh, there we go. Haha! Yeah, we got our coin. Now we need to get the potion, and it's probably gonna reveal a new one. Slurp juice. Let's add the third ingredient real quick. Again, time remaining. We're on the clock, so we need to hurry. Oh, come on. You can climb up here. Faster, faster. It's like a trampoline, isn't it? Okay, and there it is. We got it. Woohoo! Final ingredient. Where are you? You got it, mister? Oh! This anatomical structure of DNA has it. Let's jump up here. And gotta take you. Woo! Got ya. So that's the final one. This mad scientist better be paying me for this. This is a lot of work. I don't do parkour for free, right? Woo! The molecular bond is complete. Thank you for the golden coin. Now I'll take that, and we got 2 coins, and where's the last and final coin? I haven't seen it. What though? What's this switch? It's powering this shield. Hey, there's a coin! Can we turn this thing off? Woo! Switch is off. Coin is mine. Yeah! We got all 15 coins in all 5 zones. Now we just need to put the llama here to finish. We're finished, NVIDIA! Take my money, take my video, and reward me with one of your new cards, because I'm too cheap to afford one. Let's see if we can put the llama here. We want to drop it. Yeah! Take it! Give me the victory! I win. Victory is mine. Yes, I'm going to print my screen just in case I want to see that. Click. And again, we're playing this on the PC. 2070 Super card. All RTX cards support what you can do here. Okay? And I want to just take a moment to show you. Congratulations! You found all 15 treasures in RTX Treasure Run. Remember to share your Fortnite RTX Treasure Run gameplay and amazing ray traced moments with these hashtags. And the reason you want to do this, you get an opportunity to win an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics card. Those run at $750 a piece or $1,500 a piece. So it's legit expensive. So if you take the time to do it, screenshot or video your performance. You deserve this. You're amazing and you deserve this opportunity. So NVIDIA, if you're listening and watching this, pick me! Put me in the chopper, okay? And give me your RTX card. I really need it, okay? This is what it looks like. You can actually see in the background. Oh, and all of its glorious beauty. Amazing. Again, this is Gamer Time Dad signing off. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye.